Roblox is an online gaming platform that offers a wide variety of games and experiences. In this video, I will explain how to register and use Roblox. Launch any web browser and go to Roblox's official website, www.roblox.com. On the homepage, you'll find a sign-up section where you need to enter some basic information. This typically includes your birthday, a username, which should be unique and not contain personal information, and a password. Choose a strong password. It should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure account security. Although this step is optional, adding an email or phone number to your account can help with account recovery and provide additional security. You might need to complete a captcha verification to prove you're not a robot. Read and agree to Roblox's terms of use and privacy policy. Click the Sign Up button to complete the process. After registering on Roblox, you'll discover it's an expansive online platform that isn't just a game, but a comprehensive universe of user-created games and experiences. Roblox is renowned for its vast collection of games created by its community. These games span various genres, including adventure, role-playing, racing, simulation, and more. This diversity means there's something for everyone, regardless of their interests. Roblox isn't just for playing games, it's also a powerful platform for game development. Using Roblox Studio, a robust, user-friendly tool, anyone can create their own games and experiences without needing to know complex coding. This is a great way to learn game design and programming basics. Through an avatar editor, you can customize your character with various items, clothing, and accessories. Many items are free, but exclusive items can be purchased with Robux, Roblox's virtual currency. Roblox is a social platform where you can add friends, chat, and play games together. This aspect makes it a popular choice for those looking to play and interact with others online. On the homepage or in the games section, you can find thousands of games created by users under various categories and genres. Find a game that interests you and click on its page. When you click the play button, you will be prompted to download and install the Roblox player to open the game. After downloading the Roblox player, go to the location where the file was downloaded and install the Roblox player. Once the installation process is complete, our game will open. When the game starts, each game may have its own unique controls and rules. Usually, the WASD or arrow keys are used for movement, the spacebar for jumping, and the mouse to control the camera angle. Games usually involve various interactions, tasks, or objectives. Follow the in-game instructions and tips to understand the purpose of the game and how to play. If you have friends on Roblox, you can play together in the same games. To join games your friends are playing, you can visit their profiles. To maintain your online safety, do not share personal information and only play games on the official Roblox platform. After playing a game, you can comment on the game, add it to your favorites, or share it with your friends. You can ask your Roblox-related questions in the comments, share your favorite game, and we can even play together. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.